Shifting focus to Europe, which is facing one of its most intense heat waves in recent years, with France alone reporting around 1,000 additional deaths during a recent surge in extreme temperatures. According to the country's public health agency, the deadly heat wave has pushed temperatures to record levels across several European countries, including Germany, where both daytime and nighttime temperature records have been broken. In some regions, temperatures remained unusually high even after sunset, worsening health risks and straining public services. Health officials in France say the sharp rise in deaths occurred mainly during the peak of the heat wave, when temperatures soared across large parts of the country. The majority of victims were elderly, with authorities noting that people aged 65 and above accounted for nearly 85% of the fatalities. The hardest hit regions were those placed under the highest level heat warnings, covering nearly 3/4 of the country at its peak. Beyond France, the extreme heat has triggered widespread disruptions across Europe. Wildfires have broken out in parts of Germany, including areas contaminated with unexploded wartime ammunition, making firefighting efforts more dangerous. Emergency services across cities like Berlin have reported a sharp increase in heat-related calls, with ambulances stretched thin. Infrastructure has also been affected. Roads have cracked under the extreme temperatures. Rail services have faced disruptions, and in some cities, public transport operations were temporarily halted due to heat damage. In Leipzig, tram services were suspended after high temperatures damaged tracks and switches. Authorities in several countries have issued fire warnings, especially in southern and eastern Europe, where dry conditions are increasing the risk of wildfires. Greece has warned of very high fire danger across multiple regions, while Denmark has reported extreme weather shifts, including thunderstorms following record heat. Scientists have warned that such extreme heat events are becoming more frequent and intense due to climate change. A recent study by World Weather Attribution found that the current heat conditions in Europe would have been virtually impossible decades ago and are now far more likely in today's warming climate.